Anna, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be an astronaut.
Wow, an astronaut. That's so cool.
Yes. I want to fly to the moon.
The moon? That's so far away. What will you do there?
I will jump really high.
That's right. There's no gravity on the moon, so you can jump super high.
And I will see stars. And aliens.
Oh, what do the aliens look like?
They are green and have big eyes.
That sounds funny. What will you say to them?
I will say, "Hello, aliens. I am Anna."
And what will they say?
They will say, "Welcome to the moon, Anna."
That's amazing. You have such a big dream.
Yes. I will wear a space suit and fly in a rocket.
You will be a great astronaut. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Mommy. Will you come with me?
Maybe, but I think I'll watch from Earth and wave at you.
Okay. I will wave back. Waves hands.
That's so cool. My little astronaut. Time for a snack before your space adventure.
Yay! Space food?
How about a moon-shaped sandwich?
Yes. Astronauts love sandwiches.